For today's activity, the motor skills is this one is a tic-tac-toe. The game is played in a different way, but I'm using just as a motor skills because my kids are pretty small to understand the logic. So nothing but they are small coins and they have to be put in the holes. So that is what is the motor skills activity they have. Another one is match and learn. So it's about baby and mama. So like cub, owlet. So it's they have matched it. So now the calf is a baby of elephant. So they have to search and then they'll join it, and I'll explain or tell them that calf is a baby of elephant. So in a way it's vocabulary building and learning in a way of, and it's a puzzle to join it. So my younger one is very excited to do jigsaw puzzles because elder one is good at it, but it's just a beginning for her. So she's very interested in such kind of things with joining. The next one is the number activity. So Sanvi knows up to 20, but still she has issue in recognizing 11 to 20 numbers still. So I'm explaining 2 and 12 like that to explain her how visual recognition works and how do we count it. So this one has 12 beats, and then there's a pipe cleaner with 2 beats. So it's a motor skills also, that color wise also they learn the blue color, red color, they are beading it and learning how 2 and 12 is made. Next one is a color plus sensorial. The eggs have to put one inside another, and then for the younger one I'm teaching the colors, so matching the yellow color and red color, just trying to add a variation. The basics puzzle of shapes for younger one mainly. Alphabet of the day. So letter G, sandpaper letter of lowercase, recognizing uppercase and lowercase g. Counting mainly for the younger one. It's a box, they have stars here. I put Velcro at the back. So I have to put star 1, it's like 1 star, and then they have put more stars are there, so 1, 2, 3. So mainly for the younger one. This one is a logical, which is action clapper game from iConnect. So basically what I'm trying to teach is like sequence, like after this what happens, and adding vocabulary also and basic knowledge wise, like it has many cards, but I have added only the cards which she knows about. Like in sun, what happens? We have the wet clothes, or like we have the clothes are dried up, and there is something which has the wet clothes. So the wet clothes will join to the sun, and then the clothes will become dried up. So like that is one. Then there's fire engine. So what will fire engine do? There will be a house on fire, and the fire engine will come and they close all the fire. So like there is somewhere called fire engine, the house is on fire, and then the fire engine will join to it and it will turn off the fire. So like that, there is a fishing rod. Basically the things she knows about, the sharpener is there, fishing rod is there, and matchstick is there, and then bowling game is there. So that's all are the basic activities for today.